What's up everybody, it's your favorite YouTuber back with another video. So today I'm going to make a vlog. This is my first vlog and this is my hostel room. So yeah, I am a doctor and today I'm going to tell you how it is to be a doctor and how it is to spend a day with a doctor, something like that. So yeah, I start my day with praying. I pray to Allah Almighty. अल्लाह हम सब की मुश्किलें आसान फरमाए और हम लोगों के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करे. It's 7:30 and I have to reach hospital at like 8:30. So let's begin. I start my day by praying and reciting Quran, and then I just took some time early in the morning, 6 o'clock, to apply nail polish. So here I am going to show off my nails and my pretty hands. After showing off my nails and taking a shower, I thought of making a cup of tea and I started walking towards my unwashed dishes to take a cup and wash it. So here I am taking a cup out. So here is our washed cup and now we'll make some tea. So after I'm done putting everything in my cup, I am going to on the kettle. After it's done, so this is what I begin my day with: a cup of tea and mom's made halwa. Then I started pressing my dress. जी हाँ बच्चों, हॉस्टल में सारे काम खुद ही करने पड़ते हैं. Me, after pressing my clothes and struggling for 2000 years to wear this with this on my head, I am going to remove this socks to reveal my clothes that I put overnight. So yeah, let's see how it came off. After all the struggles and getting the socks out, my hair came out to be pretty good. The curls are very neat. This is, guys, treasure box, a treasure box for every woman. This is my makeup box and I am going to do my makeup in just 15 minutes because I have to reach hospital at 8:30 and it's 8:15 and I was having struggle wearing my dress and now I am going to do my makeup. So I applied a Pro Concealer. It's of green color and I am definitely looking like a Shrek right now because I applied it so much. Now we are opening our second treasure box. Ooh. And now the most important things. Yep, we are ready. Let's go. Getting my keys, opening the door. What a beautiful day to start the morning. जी हमारा कॉलेज जो है वो जंगलों के बीच में है. As you can see, दूर दूर तक सिर्फ जंगलात ही नज़र आएंगे आप लोगों को. So let's go. ये हमारे हॉस्टल का गेट.
चौकी है और ये इधर हो रहा है कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम। न्यू गर्ल्स हॉस्टल, दिस इज डेंटल, रशियन dental college, and this is so whatever we call as cafe. This is our cafe. This is Rashid College, Dental College. Yeah, right. So ये सारे बच्चे जा रहे हैं कॉलेज की तरफ मायूसी के साथ, क्योंकि शफकत ने हमारे ऊपर से शफकत दिखा दिया। Me going to the hospital. ये एक बड़ा सा दांत देख सकते हैं आप, ये हमारे डेंटल कॉलेज का दांत है।
जी हाँ, हमारे कॉलेज में ये एक डायनासोर का दांत भी पाया जाता है डेंटल कॉलेज के बाहर।
रिजर्व्ड पार्किंग एट राशिद लतीफ। जी ये मैं हॉस्पिटल पहुंचने वाली हूँ, आरिफ मेमोरियल टीचिंग हॉस्पिटल। और जैसा कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं
हमारे सॉन्ग्स में डालूंगी ज़रूरत है।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मैं बहुत बेसुरा गा रही हूँ, मेरा गला भी खराब है। देखो द ओनली गुड थिंग अबाउट आवर कॉलेज इज ये शॉप, इसमें हर जगह हर चीज़ मिल जाती है खाने के लिए।
Seriously?
मनूस,
हाँ।
सारी स्नैकिंग। कैफ़े बेकार है, कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलता, कभी भी गंदा तरीन खाना होता है यहाँ पे।
Seriously?
ठीक है, और कंस्ट्रक्शन तब से चल रही है जब से हम आए हैं, 5 साल हो गए।
Exactly.
कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं खत्म होने का नाम ले रही, कभी ना कभी अच्छा हो जाएगा।
यहाँ पे वो जी हमारे एमएस का घर है। I was not able to make a footage of me working inside the wards as it is not allowed in the hospital and it is unethical to make a video inside the wards. A very beautiful quoting at Hamid Latif. So this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to subscribe my channel and make sure to hit that like button on the face. Let me know in the comment section what type of videos do you like and I'll make that video. Till then, stay awesome, stay sweet, bye bye.